How do you edit video in Capcut and use files from SSD, right? So if you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials like this one. Well, if you have some photos or videos stored in an external SSD, you have two options. At first, you can, of course, connect it to your iPad as usual, like that, no big problem, and then the SSD should get recognized. So you can find it in the Files app. Under the locations, it should be added there. So you can open it up within Files, locate the photo or video which you want to edit, then hold down on it and click on Share. So you can then tap on the Save button, which will just move the photo from the external storage to the Photos app of the iPad. And then when you go and edit your videos through Capcut, you'll be able to access all of your videos which are in the Photos app, right? So the point is to move the photo or video to the Photos app, to the gallery of your iPad, and this can easily be accessed through Capcut. But other than that, the second option is to still have the external SSD connected, but instead you don't go to the Files app, but you instead go to the Photos app directly. And in there, the external storage should also be recognized, so you can tap on it and then select the videos or photos to import. And once you import them to your local Photos app, it will again be accessed through the Capcut application without any problem. So these are the two options you have. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work on your device, but I'm going to wrap up the video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorial.